Delete empty cells in Google Sheets. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once it loads, open a spreadsheet that contains empty cells you want to remove. Make sure you are working on the correct worksheet so you do not accidentally edit the wrong data. Take a moment to review your dataset carefully and understand its structure. Identify specific areas where empty cells are present so you know exactly what needs to be cleaned. Next, ensure that your data is properly organized in rows and columns. This structure is important because filtering works best with clearly arranged tables. After that, click and drag your cursor to select the entire dataset. If your data includes headers or labels, make sure to include them in your selection. Double-check that the selected range is correct so no important data is left out. Now, move to the top menu bar and click on the Data menu. Look for the option labeled Create a Filter and click it to enable filtering. You will notice that small filter icons appear on each column header. These icons allow you to control which data is displayed. Click on the filter icon in a column where empty cells exist. After clicking the filter icon, scroll through the available filter options. Find the option labeled Blanks and uncheck it. This action will hide all rows that contain empty cells in that column. Then, click OK to apply the filter. You will immediately see that only rows containing data remain visible on your screen. At this stage, the rows with empty cells are effectively removed from view. This helps you focus only on clean and complete data. Once you are done reviewing or making adjustments, go back to the Data menu again, then click on Change View. From there, select Exit View to leave the active filter mode. A dialog box may appear asking for confirmation. Click Save to keep the changes you have made. After exiting the filter view, finally, remember that your changes are saved automatically in Google Sheets, so there is no need to manually save your work.